Hey guys, it's Zippy. Welcome to Learn with Rishi, our YouTube channel where the world of learning comes alive. I'm absolutely thrilled to have you here as we embark on an incredible educational journey together. Let me take a moment to give you a glimpse of what awaits you on this channel. You'll meet an array of fantastic and fascinating characters like Francis, Marmaduke, and other learners like yourself, who share your passion for knowledge. And through our community, we'll uplift and support each other, celebrating milestones and overcoming hurdles as a team. With that in mind, over to you, Rishi.
Thank you, Zippy. First and foremost, let me introduce myself. With over 10 years of experience teaching English, maths, and science at all levels, ranging from Key Stage 1 to GCSE and undergraduates, I've developed a profound understanding of multiple subjects, but that's not all. You'll also find a treasure trove of computer science, geography, and other fascinating subjects on my channel. To ensure your progress, I provide personalized study schedules leading up to the exams. We'll stay organized, making the most of your study time, and ensuring you're fully prepared to achieve your academic goals. And by doing this, we're going to make learning fun, as now you see me as a reporter, but I can also become an alien from outer space. But as your dedicated educator, my mission and all of our missions are to make learning enjoyable and empowering. Whether it's mastering exam techniques, grasping content comprehensively, I'll be right by your side, or shall I say will be right by your side, guiding you every step of the way. But it's not just about subjects, it's about personal growth too. We believe in nurturing self-discipline and self-motivation. You'll gain confidence to tackle different question types, armed with proven techniques that yield remarkable results. So thank you for joining me on this thrilling learning adventure. I am genuinely honored to be your guide and mentor. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a moment of our exciting content. Together, we'll unlock your full learning potential and embark on a transformative journey. Get ready to unlock new horizons with Learn with Rishi.